Welcome to Abhijit's Excel Stat Lab. Today we will cover practical number 4, that is Summary Statistics 1, in which computation of measures of central tendency for ungrouped data using MS Excel by regular formula method and using direct Excel command. In this practical we will find arithmetic mean, median and mode for ungrouped data. So what is ungrouped data? Ungrouped data means data in series form. So how look it is? Let's look in the Excel file. So here is the first question. Exam scores of 20 students and we have to find arithmetic mean, median, mode for this data. First, type these values in a column and give label X. After giving label X, we can find arithmetic mean. First, we need to know what is meant by arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is the average of all these numbers. What is formula? Formula is the x bar equal to sum of x upon n, and sum of x means sum of all values or total of all values. How to find sum of xi? Sum of xi, here I have written sum of xi. That sum of xi is nothing but the, in this formula, this sum of xi. So to find this sum of xi, we will use some function. Let me write it. Is equal to sum bracket, then select the numbers typed above. How to select? You have to click in first cell and then press left click and drag down. Now here we can see equal to sum B7 to B26. That means B column 7th row to B column 26th row. To find the sum of values or numbers from B7 to B26 row. Then press enter. So we will get sum of these x values. Now how to find this? N equal 20, we use count function is equal to count, count, open bracket, and then select numbers again. So in this way we select the numbers. Just left click press and drag down, complete the bracket and press enter. So here we can get number of values in the data, that is count of number of values. Now since we have to find arithmetic mean by formula method, so we will go step by step, that is put the value of sum, put the value of n and then divide it by n. So I will write first sum of xi value, that is 1649 and divided by total value 20, and we can use function or formula method is equal to click on this sum of xi divided by click on this n values, so we get answer 82.45. so we can write 82.45, that is the mean of values. The same thing we can find by using Excel command. This Excel command is equal to average in the bracket select numbers. So what is command? Is equal to AVE RAGE average open bracket. After pressing bracket, we can see number 1, number 2, dot dot dot. That means we have to select the numbers in the table. So here we have to select numbers from this 72 to last number 91 and then close the bracket. So here we can see equal to average B7 to B26. That means find the average of these numbers from B7 row to B26 row. Then press enter. Here we can see we get same answer by using Excel command also. Now we will find median. Now here we have two cases. N equal to n is even, n is odd. That means if there are even number of observation, we will use different formula. If there are odd number of observations, then we will use a different formula. Now in this case we have n equal to 20, that is even values. So we will find median by using formula of median when n is even. So this is the formula for median when n is even. That is, we take two central observations, n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observation, and we take average of these two values, get the median. How? Now we will put value of n here, n equal to 20, then 20 by 2. Just copy and paste here and just make some changes. Now here 20 by 2 becomes a 10, and here also same thing, 10. The next step we will add 10 plus 1, that gives 11. So we have to find 10th observation and 11th observation from the given data. Again we will copy this and paste it here. What is value of 10th observation? Now here actually we have to sort the data in ascending order first. I have not sorted the data in ascending order. So how to sort this data? So we select this X column and click on data, sort, and select continue with current selection. That means sort the data that we have selected only, and click on sort and click on OK. So here in this window we can see sort by X values, sort on cell values, and order by smallest to largest. And just click on OK. So we will get values sorted. Now move to the formula. Value of 10th observation and 11th observation is, so here we can see this is the 10th and 11th. So corresponding values are 85 and 85. So just write 85 here. Value of 10th observation is 85 plus 85. In some cases we can get different value also. 85 plus 85 is 170. So 170 divided by 2, again it is 85. So this is the median by using formula method. Now to find median by using Excel command, we use command is equal to median and select bracket. Select numbers. So type is equal to median, median, select numbers. Again we can select either sorted data or unsorted data. It will give same answer again. It is a 85. Now let's move to the mode. So mode, it is simply most frequent observation in the data or most repeated value in the data. So we have to look in the data and just count or find which value is most repeated. So from this data we can observe 72 occurs 4 times, 72 72 76 occur 2 times, 85 1 2 3 4 5 occurs 5 times, and all other values are 1 or 2 times. So here we can see 85 occurred 5 times. So we can say mode is 85. So just by inspection method we have to find the most repeated value and write its answer 85. Now same thing we can find by using Excel command without looking in the data. Just we use formula Excel method is equal to MODE, select numbers, complete bracket, and press enter. So here we can see we get same answer that we have found by using inspection method. So in this way we can find mean, median, mode, or ungrouped data. In this question we have seen example where n is even. Now we will look another example where n is odd. We will find median for the data when n is odd. Let's consider another data. Here we have second question, monthly expenses of 25 households, and these are the expenses in dollars. So again we have to write or type these numbers in a column and give heading a x values. Now we will use same method, same formula, same steps for average. Now for median. Again, first step is same. We have to sort the data values in ascending order. Let's say if we don't have sorted data, let me copy and paste as it is, so that I will show again how to sort the data. Now, this unsorted data, again we will use same steps. Select X column, then click on data, click on sort, continue with current selection, and just click on OK. So we can get sorted numbers in ascending order. Now, when n is even, now when n is odd, we use this formula, median equal to value of n plus 1 divided by tooth observation. So there is a different formula. In case of even, there were two values, n by tooth and n by 2 plus 1th observation. Now here value of n plus 1 by tooth observation. So here we will find only one observation. Why? Because whenever we have odd values, so we can get exact central value, but in case of even values, so we get two center value. That's why we take two center value in case of even values, but in case of odd values, so we will have one central value. Now here n equal to 25, so just put the value of n, 25 plus 1, which gives 26 by 2, that is 13th observation. So look in the data for 13th observation. Here is 13, that is serial number 13, and corresponding value is 1400, that is 1400. So median is equal to 1400. Now for Excel command, we use same. Excel command is equal to median and select the numbers, and everything is same. So here we have done practical based on computation of arithmetic mean, median, mode for ungrouped data by using Excel command by using formula method.